Hello, you have arrived at the final part of gravitation. Now, I only ask about force between two planets in a short time. For example, suppose we have two masses of planets, Earth and Moon. We can denote m1 for the mass of Earth, and m2 for the mass of Moon. In general, we write the formula, force equals, universal constant g times two separate masses m1 and m2, divided by r squared. Note that r is a distance between two planets, by the way. The universal constant value of g is 6.67 times 10 to the negative 11th cubic meter per kilogram per second squared. Suppose, for the distance between Earth and Moon, we have r equals 3.84 times 10 to the 5th kilometers, and its mass of Earth and Moon are 6 times 10 to the 24th kilograms, and 7.3 times 10 to the 22nd kilogram respectively. As you wish. When you solve it, substitute these values. This is kinda tricky, you'll need to convert kilometers to meters instead. So the answer is, approximately 2 times 10 to the 20th newtons. You can pick any other massive planets like Mercury, Venus, Saturn etc. from Wikipedia. Then you can identify the gravitational force. If the distance between two planets is decreased, the gravitational force will sharply increase. If the distance will approach to zero, its gravitational force is infinite. So be sure, the value must not be equal to zero. From the cases of gravitational force, if the distance is doubled, the gravitational force becomes quarter times the original. Or if the force is doubled, then it's either one mass is doubled. So, we've completed the entire topic. Goodbye. Like, comment, and subscribe now on YouTube.